Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to share some helpful bathroom tips that make your bathroom smell fresh, clean and odorless. So let's get started. Alright you guys, so please, before we start, I just want to probably do kind of a disclaimer, or I don't even know, or kind of a notice, because we actually have our neighbor doing some type of construction and I've walked around all over the house looking for a space that is not going to have a lot of noise and I haven't been able to find any. So you guys, please excuse whatever drilling noise you guys can hear. But yes guys, so the first thing we're supposed to do when we're talking about a fresh smelling, clean, odorless bathroom is, of course, to always make sure you wash your bathroom mats, to wash your towels, because you guys know all those things accumulate a lot of water, and over time they tend to smell. So make sure you wash like your bathroom mats. Probably I do mine every Saturday, so that way you can get rid of any odor, any smell coming out of it, because yeah, that is one mistake a lot of people do. They don't clean their floor mats frequently. And of course, for me, I always use my washing machine. Just throw it into your washing machine, put some laundry detergent, and that's about it. So here I'm going to show you guys how to make this. I call this triple fighting bathroom bomb, guys, and all you basically need is some baking soda. As you all can see, I'm adding 3 spoons of baking soda, and then I'm going to add some citric acid. I'm also going to add some lemon juice and vinegar. And you guys, I know a lot of people always say, oh, they don't like to mix products when it comes to kind of maybe cleaning detergent or something like that. But as long as you read, you do your research and those things are safe, that is basically all you need to do, guys. But like I am telling you guys, you see this mixture right here, oh my gosh, this works so good, especially for your toilet bowl. You can use this for your toilet bowl, you can use this for your shower, your tub. Oh my gosh, you guys, like this right here removes any stubborn stains. You know how sometimes you can have a lot of water stain on your bathroom shower, or your toilet, you can have some stains on your toilet. This right here basically takes care of it. And all I do is, once I go ahead and mix up everything, you can just use your hand, just make it into balls. It all depends on you. But because I have this I don't even know what this is called, but it has a shape design, to it. We had used this for one of the children's projects in school. So after they were done, I kept it, and I'm basically just using it to mold this bomb right here. But basically you just put this in, leave it for maybe 30 minutes, 40 minutes, so that way it can dry up. As you all can see, this is exactly how it looks. And once it's it solidifies, you can just go ahead and just pull it out from the trays. And once you do that, this is exactly how it looks, and you can look for any container and just store it in there. So this is exactly the one, one of the bombs. I'm going to use it, and look at this, you guys. Like once you go ahead and throw it inside your toilet bowl, guys, like you can use it to scrub the toilet bowl. But one thing I also love about this particular bomb is the fact that it helps to degas your toilet pipe. So that way, you guys, like once it starts foaming like that, you can see like it's kind of degassing, because one of the things that also makes our bathroom to smell is when there's buildup of gas. Another very helpful tip is to go ahead and open up your windows, so that way your bathroom can have a cross ventilation, because of the fact that you bathe there every single day, guys. Like, of course, you're going to have some air trapped inside the bathroom. So just go ahead and open it up. Just let in some fresh air, because this helps to freshen up the space. And of course, my next tip is to go ahead, of course, to wash your toilet bowl. And one thing I always do, like I used to do this before, guys. Like before, after I'm cleaning my toilet, I just put the toilet brush right inside its container. And you guys, when next you go ahead and pull that brush off of the container, it stinks. So in order to prevent that, guys, what I do is once I'm done cleaning my toilet bowl, I just go ahead and use this. I absolutely love this toilet cleaning detergent. Just spray it on the brush, and then I love to hang the brush right on the toilet seat. But if you feel like, okay, maybe somebody might be using the toilet, or people might be in need of the toilet, you can just, as you all can see, you can see how I just hung it there. You can let it there to air dry for maybe 30 minutes. But if you don't feel like doing that, you can just go ahead and keep it right on top of the brush container, so that way it can dry off before you go ahead and put it in. Like, you guys, this right here, it works amazing. And of course, let's also not forget our towels, because like I said, they are one thing that always stink inside the bathroom because of the fact that they accumulate a lot of water while using. And when you're doing your towels, guys, if you have any towel with stains, or anything that has some stubborn stains, your best bet is to go ahead and use your baking soda and also your vinegar. Like, you guys, these two mixtures right here, they're just the perfect combo when it comes to cleaning anything. Like I mean, if you're cleaning anything in your kitchen, your bathroom, your bedroom, anything, guys, baking soda and vinegar is just such a good combo. So you just basically go ahead and sprinkle the baking soda on the towel, go ahead and spray some vinegar, toss it inside your washing machine, and that's about it. Like, when you go ahead and do it, guys, you will notice that the stains or whatever just disappears. And of course, my next tip is for that hidden smell, guys. This works amazing. And basically, all you want to do is to go ahead and sprinkle some essential oil on your toilet paper. And the secret of this particular tip is the fact that when you go ahead and roll your tissue, while using it, like as the tissue is rolling, guys, you will notice this very nice fragrance, coming out of your tissue. And of course, that also helps a lot with, just freshening up your bathroom. And my next tip, of course, is this one right here. This, I would say this particular tip is my favorite out of, all the tips I always use for my bathrooms. And this is basically using your laundry beads, guys. You guys, like, if you use laundry beads, you know how heavenly they smell. But the trick to this one is you go ahead and get a breathable bag. You guys, like, I absolutely loved, I think I picked up this bag either from the Dollar Tree, from their party section. You just get all these breathable bags, guys, put the shower beads in it, and you just look for somewhere in your bathroom to hide it. For me personally, I love to hide this in the shower area, because the thing about this particular tip is the fact that you guys know, like, when you bathe, especially when you bathe with hot water or even cold water, guys, like when you bathe, you produce, like, the shower produces a lot of heat. And when that happens and the heat gets on this particular tip, like on this particular bag, guys, the whole shower, the whole bathroom smells really, really good. And this lasts for like a week plus. So this is a very simple trick that works amazing for me. Okay, guys, so now I have to think properly between the last tip I just shared or this one right here, because this one also is the bomb.com, guys. And basically all you need to do is to get your what is it called, your bean, your coffee bean. You guys know that, like, coffee bean is known for eliminating smell, but the trick to this one is the fact that you will get your coffee bean and then add a candle, whether any tea light candle, because you need the candle to be as small as possible. And basically what this does is the coffee helps get rid of any unwanted smell out of your bathroom, and then at the same time the candle actually kind of adds a lot of smell. It kind of freshens up the bathroom at the same time. So the coffee eliminates the bad odor, and then the candle brings in the good odor, guys. And of course, my last tip would be this one right here. It's so simple, guys. Basically, all you just need to do is to grab your cotton balls. You just go ahead and add some essential oil on it, toss it inside your garbage bin, line it up with the bag, and you guys, this right here, it keeps your trash smelling really, really nice. But yeah, you guys, I believe that is all there is to this video, my loves. I hope you all enjoyed, and please guys, please don't forget to give me a huge thumbs up, and also hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And till my next video, I will see you all very, very soon. I even forgot my line. Bye.